This is Samsung's all-new Galaxy Fold, where they've made a number of revisions to overcome the difficulties they had at the original launch. Huge improvements, which we'll look at in a moment, but this is the front screen that you see. And let's just look at one of the key features you have. Open this up, maps that we can see here. We're in Berlin at IFA. But if you want to use the continuity view and actually see that in a full screen, it's as simple as opening the device and the maps are there. We can go back into the main big screen now as well, and you can see some of the other features that are available on this device. Clearly, content is a great place to start. Let's go into the gallery and pick one of these photos. Look at the way it fills the screen, and obviously for the Instagram generation, this is going to be absolutely superb. Video is another good example. Here's a video I shot recently in Switzerland. We can get that running, and if we want to take that up to a full screen view, it's as simple as a tap on the button, and look at that for a content consumption experience. Really fantastic. Other things that you can do as well is the ability to have multiple applications open at the same time. So if we go into the browser, there's the CCS Insight web page. We can even add something else as well. Let's add a calculator, so we can have that in a box as well. And if you want to make one app bigger than some of the other apps, you can just move these across. And if you want to go and make it a full screen experience, you can do it like that. Scroll through here, go into our website, look at our daily insight, for example. We're in IFA trying this device, and as you can see, looks fantastic. Ships in UK, 18th of September, is going to be supporting 5G, and I think this really is the advent of a very exciting new technology as flexible displays start to hit the market. We really are on the cusp of some fantastic device diversity and innovation.